What is going on, Ape Nation? So we've got something very important to talk about today, but before we talk about it, please go ahead, smash that like button to piss Ken Griffin off, because he gets very upset when you piss him off. And for the love of God, if you're not subscribed yet, please go ahead and do so, because I drop content just like this every single day, and it is important content. Anyhow, enough of that. Let's go ahead and talk about what I need to talk about. First of all, let me tell you, my sis is here with me today. She hadn't been on in a few days or something. I don't know, maybe a week. And I'm sure most of you were upset about that. At least that's what you tell me in the comments. So I brought her back, and she's here now. And she also has her own channel. So if you'd like to see her on her own channel and leave me the hell alone about it, go ahead, look in the description, click the link to her channel, and then leave me the hell alone, you filthy, nasty, perverted, gross apes. That's my sister you're talking about.
Eat those bananas.
Yeah. So anyhow, we're here today to talk about, well, a couple of people and some issues surrounding those people. First of all, we're going to talk about Adam Aaron, or Adam Aaron. How do you pronounce it? I'm an ape, so I'll pronounce it any damn way I want. We're also going to talk about Ken Griffin. We're going to talk about the timing of a few things that are happening and going on. But first, I've got to put Adam Aaron on blast, okay? I've been there to protect him in the past and speak in his behalf, even though about half of the apes on my channel were like, screw Adam Aaron, he's selling shares. And I'm like, hey, he's our CEO, blah, 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 blah. You know, he told us about this back in August, and yes, he did. In his defense, he did tell us about this. Either way, when you sell $40.1 million worth of AMC shares while you're already probably a millionaire, there's something wrong with that. So I want to remind you guys that we, the retail investor, the AMC Apes, have the power to get Adam Aaron out of here and replace him with a new CEO. And let me just tell you this, okay? Adam Aaron, as transparent as he's trying to be here, or, you know, make us believe that he is, how many shares has Ryan Cohen sold of GME stock? I'm still waiting. A low number, is it? Is it greater than 1? Is it lower than 1? Well, that would only mean that it could be 0 freaking shares. So why in the hell, okay? And I don't want to, you know, start up any drama on my own channel, but okay, just hear me out for a second. Where did the freaking AMC management take AMC stock, okay? What should it be valued at today? If all of the apes stepped out today, if we were all gone, how much would AMC stock be valued at? Or where? I mean, what would be the value? You answer that for me, okay? If we weren't here, well, then it would be all on Adam Aaron. And where has he gotten this stock to without us? I don't even want to answer that. So we are the reason that this bastard has any type of success right now. Okay? So when he's selling all of his shares, not all of his, okay, a third of his shares that he owned, that's not all of them, but that's a pretty freaking disgusting dadgum number. Okay? What pisses me off the most about it is that he's on his Twitter. Can you read the tweet?
Yes,
and that way I can comment on it.
Back in August, I said that at age 67, I'd sell some AMC shares toward year end. All trading decisions out of my hands under guidelines of Chase 10b5-1 plan spread over 3 months. Those sales are now all finished. I still own or plan to vest in 2,302,760 AMC shares. I am in.
Well, you heard him, folks. He's in, he says, okay? So he's in because that's what he plans to vest in. But what he also told us, and he's not being very transparent about, and this is where I have to give him a swift kick in the ass to remind him that he's not being transparent, is that his 10b5-1 plans are not mandatory. They could and can be canceled at any given point and time. So he doesn't have to follow through with that crap. He just wanted to take $40 million off the freaking table and align his own pockets with it. Sounds kind of Ken Griffin-y to me, okay? Sounds like he's a stingy, dirty bastard. Now, I get it. Everybody wants to be rich. I mean, after all, isn't that why we're some filthy, greedy, stingy apes? Isn't that why we're holding these shares to screw over Ken Griffin? Yes, it is, but hear me out now. we're doing this because Ken Griffin already owes us this money. So what we're doing is justifiable. It's okay. We can do this. But this bastard that comes in, lets us do all the hard work for him, and allows him and himself and his management staff to cash out with our hard-earned apish funds. Now there's a bastard that needs to be replaced. So we need to start talking about that. And I only say this because, you know what, other CEOs of other similar stocks are not doing what Adam Aron did, okay? For example, and I've already mentioned this once, Ryan Cohen. He didn't do this crap, but Adam Aron is. So he wants our money, but he's not doing the work to get our money. I don't like that. Now, he's made a few different sales at an average of over $30. But our share price today is about $20-something, which is disgusting to me that this bastard cashed out and got to keep more money than the stock is worth today. While we're over here bleeding dry, Adam Aron is taking a vacation in the Bahamas with our money. That's freaking disgusting. That's sad. I no longer want this bastard as my CEO of my company. How about you? Let me know in the comments below. And I know I'm going to get mixed comments and mixed feelings. That's okay. Don't judge me for my opinion. It's my opinion. I am just your ape brother, and I just, want what's best for you, because what's best for you is what's best for me. But here's something else that we need to talk about. We're going to go ahead and get off Adam Aron's ass, because Adam Aron's ass is no longer worth talking about. So let's talk about Ken Griffin, and let's talk about the timing of some moves that Ken Griffin made, which also align with the timing of some moves that, one move that Adam Aron has made. Adam Aron just sells another 300,000 something shares. I don't know the exact numbers. Excuse me for that. But the timing of this aligns with something else that has happened. And the timing of the event that I'm talking about is, well, where Ken Griffin happened to sell part of his company to get over $1.15 billion. Did Ken Griffin know when Adam Aron was going to be completing his last sale through the 10b5-1? Because it's awfully, suspicious to me that right after Adam Aron does this, the stock tanks by about nearly 10%, a little bit less, and then comes in Ken Griffin with all of this money. And we know that they've been trying to push the stock down. They've been trying to do it with the GME, AMC, and another red flag, and we've talked about this 2 videos ago, Ken Griffin, and we know that he owns all of the platforms that are reporting all of this information. They're on there just day after day, okay? Around the same time that Adam Aron sells over 300,000 shares, we've got news about Ken Griffin coming out left and right. But not just any kind of news. This is all news relating to just how rich and well-off and wealthy Ken Griffin is. Now, this is reported off of his own platforms. If I've got a lot of money, sure, I'd brag about it and be like, oh, I'm a rich-ass ape. I'm a filthy rich ape. But I'm not going to keep tooting my own horn over and over and over and over and over through my own media outlets to let you guys know just how filthy rich I am and just how much, my net worth just went up by a few $1 billion. I'm only going to do that if I need you to believe that I'm, rich as hell and, I'm so filthy rich that nothing in this world concerns me, such as, a short squeeze happening. The MOASS possibly happening. This bastard Ken Griffin needs to cover his position still. His buddies still need to cover their position, and they can't cover using synthetic shares. They have to have real shares. I'm not even going to begin to guess how many synthetics are out there, but I will be able to tell you this, though, or I am able to tell you this. Some of us are still holding real shares. He needs you to sell those real shares in order for him to be able to cover. Otherwise, there's going to be, a travesty. That's why he needs all of this damn money. He's going to use this money to try to drown us and make us freaking believe that, oh my goodness, AMC will tank. Get the hell out of it. Sell your real, not synthetic shares to me, guys, so I can cover my position at these dirt cheap freaking prices. That's what he wants. So if you let go now, you're helping Ken Griffin. You're going to be considered a Ken Griffin helper for the rest of your life and an ape betrayer, an ape traitor. So do not do that to us. Don't do that to me, your ape brother. I'm in just as much pain as you are because I know that one day this pain is going to turn into gains. It's kind of like going to the gym and working out, okay? No pain, no gain. Same thing with AMC. No pain, no gain. Right now, it's just a bad time for, the market in general. The markets are freaking out, and then Adam Aron is selling out. And so Ken Griffin comes along and says, hey, this is my moment. I wish I could have this moment for life. He's going to try to take advantage.
That's a song.
That's why I just said it. These apes listen to that song as they're eating their bananas every day. Their banana cereal. Only in the morning, though. So Ken Griffin tries to jump in, take advantage of this Adam Aron bull crap, and then he tries to take advantage of us. We cannot allow that, apes. If you allow this to happen, if you allow Ken Griffin to manipulate us, we're going to lose this game. This is a game of chess. Think 7 moves ahead, or at least 1, 2, or 3 moves ahead, and we'll be okay, which is why I'm here to tell you these moves ahead of time so that you're not stressed out about it, because this is a stressful time for all of us. But I just wanted to let you know, hey, we're still in this together, and forget what everybody else is saying, because this needs to happen. I'm still trying to get filthy rich so I can buy myself a bunch of stuff that I really want, like a bunch of bananas. Anyhow, that's all we have for you today.